Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Today guys, I want to show you another pop culture surprise bag. Yes, I went back and got another one. I have done a video on these before, and if you guys are interested, it is in my video feeds. You can find it there. But I went back and I got another one. These bags are, I think, are really good value. They contain at least 3 items, and the value is supposed to be over £50 or €60 worth of pop culture collectibles, official merch. These bags cost £12. I think that's relatively the price they are everywhere. You can buy them in multiple places. I bought mine when I was on a little mini trip to Portrush, in a store down there. I bought 2 originally. I did a video on those, and then I couldn't help myself, and I bought another one. So I want to show you guys what I've got for £12. The general rule of thumb from the ones I've opened previously is you definitely get over the value of the money you paid for the bag. But I think £50 is very generous if you were going to resell. I don't. I generally tend to give mine, donate mine, or give them away to family and friends, or keep the things that I really want, that I'm interested in. But I don't genuinely believe you get the £50 value, but I didn't in the last 2. So let's see what we've got here. So first thing I'm going to do is just pop it open. It has these little, almost like a Ziploc bag. It has almost like a Ziploc bag where you can open and close it. They did tape it up, but I removed the tape before opening the bag because they don't want you to see what's inside. I get that, but I do have a little feel root around the bag when I'm in the shop. So this one was definitely different than the ones that I got before. So let's see what we got. It is jam-packed. Oh, okay, so a little battered, but that's okay. Oh, this is a Marvel Studios Black Panther action figure. Really like this action figure. I know that action figures like this, I mean, this is cute. It is a Marvel, like a Hasbro Marvel licensed product. It says a warrior and new king of Wakanda. I do like this figure. It does have movable arms and legs, and it does come with the staff, which I really like too. I know these figures roughly, I'm just saying a rough price, in maybe Home Bargains are about $2.99, $3.99. So we're going to work on the premise that they're £4. And that's £4 of my value that I've got back. Okay, we got I actually won a cup very similar to this, or if not the same cup, from an arcade machine in Portrush. So this is actually so strange that I actually got the Marvel. I genuinely think this is the same cup. But anyway, this is a Marvel officially licensed product. It has lots of Spider-Man. I don't know what it says on the side. Oh, it says Beyond Amazing, which is nice. I really like how they've done Spider-Man on the side of the mug. And this is a really nice mug, really nice and hefty. It's got a really nice print. It is 11 ounces or 315 ml. Not a bad mug. I know that mugs can sell for anything between £3, £4 to £10. I wouldn't pay £10 for a mug, even though it's licensed and it's Marvel. I think £4 or £5 on this mug is probably about the right price. I have a nephew who loves Spider-Man and loves multiple colors. I like the way they've done it in some of the movies. See here, they have some of the different movie styles, the way they've written Spider-Man, which is pretty neat. I would say I would probably pay £4 for this mug. I do have a nephew who will love this, so I'll give this away. I also have a nephew who is Black Panther mad, so that will be going to them. That's awesome. So that, in my estimation, or estimate, is roughly about the £8 mark. We have a book. What I noticed is, before I show you guys the book, what I did notice is that we in every one of these packs, I got a book of some sort. The two that I got before, check out the video, they are softback books. This one's a really heavy, which is probably, this in the mug, is probably where the weight came from. In the bag, because the bag was really hefty. So this is a hardback book, really thick hardback book. It is BBC's Doctor Who, The Women Who Lived, and it is a licensed BBC book. It is in really amazing shape, given that the bag travelled on a train and was hoiked into a taxi. But it says the amazing tales for future time lords, and it's by, is it Crystal D and Simon Courier? I don't know how to say that, so I apologize if I butchered your name. Front cover image is so super pretty. This is quite a large book, and on the back we have all the women doctors, I'm assuming. I'm not a Doctor Who fan. Maybe you guys can tell me in the comments section. It says, there was once a brilliant girl who did brilliant things, which I think is phenomenal. This book is from the fiction category or genre. And in the UK, the price is $16.99. US is $23.99. And in Canada, it is $35.99. I personally don't think this book is worth $16.99. I probably, if I was a Doctor Who fan, probably would have waited until it went on sale. Probably worth £10. I'm going to classify it as £10. Really nice, thick, oh wow, really nice, thick pages. And they give you stories on the amazing women as part of this is an actually beautiful book. Really, really gorgeous, really beautiful drawings, images, and the stories are phenomenal. And this is, oh, that's so pretty. This is a really beautiful, beautiful book. It also tells you who the actress was who played the person, what their occupation was, and their first appearance in Doctor Who. So I think that's a pretty neat book. I definitely would, if I was a Doctor Who fan, would pay £10 for this book. I probably wouldn't pay much more than that. But you let me know in the comment section below if you guys would pay the full $16.99 for that book. I'm going to work it out that it's 10, and I'm going to say we're £18 probably into our, we've got our £12 back, and we've made we've got our £12 back, and we have a little bit of profit. Extra value is more what I would say. Okay, guys, the last thing that we have, and the bag is totally empty, which is okay, is a pop. Now, this is really fun. The box is a little bit dinged at the bottom. That's not too bad. Still a really nice pop. This is DC Superheroes number 447, and it is the gingerbread fleisch vinyl figure. This is super cute. It looks like a gingerbread cookie. It is flatter than normal. I'm actually going to take the figure out so you guys can see. It's flatter than, I'm not going to keep this. This is probably going to be a donation. I usually keep my Funko Pops mint condition in box. They never come out. And if I do want one to take out, I'll buy an additional one to put it on display. But how fun is this little gingerbread, the fleisch? I love that they have the lightning bolts on the feet. I love how flat it is. It's quite a weighty because it's not hollow. Super duper cute. And the head moves. That's pretty neat. That's adorable. And this is what it will look like displayed. It looks like he's in his running pose. I love the little cookie edging. That is so adorable. Absolutely adorable. I am going to pop it back into its packaging because I do intend to donate this little pop. I'm just going to pop it in so it's secure. Absolutely adorable little pop. I'm going to donate this to the charity. I know there's a lot of DC fans out there, even more so they love the Fleisch. But I also like the fact that you can get an additional 4 in the collection. So you can get the Gingerbread Superman, the Batman, Aquaman. This Aquaman's not my favorite, if I'm being honest. The Wonder Woman is amazing. I would have been super happy to get the Wonder Woman or Batman. They would have been my ultimate favorites, but I'm still happy to have the gingerbread Fleisch. But that is super cute. Guys, those pops are probably, I mean, if you go to somewhere like Forbidden Planet or Game or GameStop, you're probably going to be paying UK price £10 for those. So I'm going to £10, £11.99. I think some are £14.99. I don't think this one's worth that value. I definitely think it's probably worth the £5-6 mark. Given that there is a little dent in the back, I'm going to mark it at £6 and say that we've made £24 from this bag. I'm probably also erring on the side of caution, so I do understand that and I do bear that in mind. If you guys have values you want to shout out to me in the comment section, that would be amazing. But I think we've got about £24, doubled our value of the bag. And I am actually super happy. I think this is a pretty neat little bag. I think you do definitely get value for your £12 and you do get extra added value. I know some people who will love some of these things. Other things that I'm not, I'm more a Marvel fan than a DC fan. So I know people will love this when it's donated, and the book also. So I'm pretty happy for my £12. I think I did great. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments section below. If you guys have liked this video, I would love if you would like, share, and subscribe. My channel is really small and I am trying very, very hard to grow it. Everything purchased on my channel is purchased solely by me. There is no affiliates, there is no ads, no things that I generate money from. So anything that you guys can do to help, I am eternally grateful. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video. I'm going to say I hope you guys stay safe, take care, and I will catch you next time. Bye all. Bye.